na yene the press and public affairs officer for Ghana Football Association, Mr. Henry Asante Twum, which my friend hat. Akokasa. Henry, good morning.
Good morning, PJ.
Na nema muti say.
Nyame adom bibia boko.
Ewe de why you who are you adwuma na say no COVID test no pass you.
Anope ya tina yefofo.
Hey. Boy enkomo. E dey say no ye frɛ na wo be join the Blasters na procedure be fam our safety protocols no, with regards to COVID and any saying.
Oh, PJ me dasi. As you say, if we calf e buy ye diso pepe dia na say I was there players, officials, every staff of the FA or yet directly in touch with the players. I was Ubia go through the mandatory COVID-19 test.
Nhyira.
Players are to see our more camp. Nyina omudu kotokano omuye. It's a say omunyina tested negative, and once they tested negative, you have more opportunity to exit the airport without any quarantine. And you know, menyina so na men kan say say me no ka say number of players I welcome 16. And ra anajo and Christopher Netti ebe kan sa and ra could training na 10 players. But and none of the free training by you know, and Christopher Netti ebe kan sa and number no issue to call 11. And you know be no do empire mu sima diasa ho baby and yakofa emrantie and 9 free airport ebe kan ho emrantie 9 a yakofa mu free airport ebe kan ho ne Baba Abdul Rahman, Alexander Jiku, Lawrence Atizigi, and Abrantie John Boy. It's no mbeka na Abrantie Idunum, and Anopei Nyame Asante Bakwa beka ho Caleb Ekuban. In Tisia Minoka say Abrantie Idunsia company Captain Andrea Yu, Baba Rahman, Razak Abalora, Nicolas Opoku, Tariq Fosu, Samuel Owusu, John Boy, Kwajo Amuako, Emmanuel Lomote, Jordan Ayu, Christopher Nete, Alexander Jiku, Lawrence Atizigi, Efiye Akwa, John Enchi, and Caleb Ekuban. Into 16 players were in a Omo camp here. Just about 15 minutes ago, and Omunina Ekoye Omo COVID test. Into no, Omunina go back to their rooms to rest for maybe an hour. Yeah, share ni mo say you be free hotel be prem to be 12 o'clock na ye dey ni a check Cape Coast. Nyame adum a you do Cape Coast your first training session 4 p.m. And you know amania kakra e wa hana media boy PJ.
Etie for Nhyira 104.5 FM Sunye, ye ne the communications director for Ghana Football Association, Henry Asante Twum ena ekasa. Uko e Facebook page so a enra a Black Stars first training session a omo ye no ena e show ye visual platforms on Facebook Nhyira 104.5. Razak Abalora ubobbo ne fa bia no akoche no ubobbo ne fa bia no akoche no eche so beto che se ma na kwan no ndem ti ude ko Nhyira 104.5. na me say David Duncan mo just say Abaloro abe hardwin Black Stars wo na akwa obehu ho eti Henry mo bedu Cape na enem ye mo first training session and other couple of players na mo twa from Abrochie no so ho arrangement is saying
well 11 o'clock ya Abrantie Richard Ofori be touch down from South Africa, but into me in China because there is a plan in place. And as I say ubedu kutoka it takes you not less than 2 hours to come out of the airport because over could DQ no COVID. COVID ni ya o say we train more resort eba. Mutri you know negative and afi ya do passport amount na we and you know Richard Bower we drew 11 anopay ya arrangement say the standby team ebe train or airport not just say or go through all the necessary procedures we are now almost no aba Cape Coast. We Richard is in China. There are I think 4 other arrivals that expected, and then you Joseph Atama and Abrantier Clifford Abuaji, and then I think Majid Ashimeru issue, no. What it is that Chirokoma Club, no, they told us, say Omar recorded a number of cases in camp. And Omar taking decision, say medical team no and tested all the other players players no were in isolation. And Jomoye tested no. Fortunately, Majid tested negative. In the club not sure they were testing negative there, then they will go through the necessary arrangements. Now Omar Manaba. And then I didn't saw a descending the ticket, Ekoma no any club no. Until you know so you heard him say a free Sabri Akopim and Yumre Acha or Chan Opade na or no the cancer. Into ye Richard Ophoria or Babu Drano pay is in China. Others I show when you Joseph Atama, Majida Shimeru, and Clifford Abuaji. Say Omunina Ebekansa, then it means we have about 20 players in camp by close of day.
Oh, okay. Now, and then no, more the communicate about say match no, empty stadium that is without spectators. Na yes, I'm 12 or so. Mama roadmap be fast or unche mukakra.
Well, PJ, under normal circumstances, over here on the matter. Once our journalists now apply for accreditation, will be new concept or be preventive. I will say you do accreditation now about match venue. Your commentary. I think that as broadcasters, the first thing we do is say our press area. Now you're training coaches and captains of the two teams. Now Maba, near more post match. But this time she say a calf at the Aban say or minimizing the possibility of spread, and Omar cancel pre-match and post-match interviews. Omar cancel, Omar Twum. Again, flash photo opportunities. Unzayana yenu anoma omuchitwa infonini no. Omujejina pool nechi maybe so jejina ye call match na ye call half time maybe jejina tunnel no omuchitwa pictures and also so calf say we Twum. And no embasokra because now more way possibility say is it possible say you better see photographer via or be apply say or be pictures or match implications at the same cost at the same effect at the same and a whole other factors and more consider in the end the decision was that team time to some opportunity in India or coping say COVID it be free and what so we journalists now apply for accreditation and pay many National Sports Authority and swag deals are also be we are looking at the numbers and as much as possible send a boom comes so our stadium or and the car fish share or the buy and or say yen making sure say nipa no more Adrianine but no crown almost rest stadium maybe I was say observing social distancing. In Jubera, Abribiana, Abia, journalists, ya parking a home media center. This time it won't happen. It's the best spread or more. At not instantly, normal commentary. And also another issue. And then, you see, the only broadcast house, our opportunity, say, Obeswani Padodoa, Diako Stadium, or Mokra was here, check him. GBC, our be produce game. Demarcating a particular place I was say Obi Van Afi Obia or outdoor staff or part of the production. I was here who said face mask in the course of the production. Game no almost I say kitchen say press conference, you can say virtual. And the decision is that press conference, or Facebook page, and open your opportunity actually record whatever you want to record. And quite apart from that, I think there will be no mixed zone interviews. There will be no flash photos. It is only two teams, no photographers. They are SUDAN for say photographer near or no man opportunity. I'm an era park and so and I answer so yeah quite era park and so. Restrictions needed. PJ no bibia barrier chinchini but whatever it is non-negotiable. I will say a shady diso. Send a very between a protected life and property.
Yeah, I'm saying Nippon at this crucial moment, here change BBA or assassin. So now, Henry, if I got a player, is a my new collapse. Why Mona for a particular reason or the other, Omuntimi mentia and necessitate this collapse.
Okay. Collapse, there were a number of reasons influencing a decision, First of all, near share. Maybe a match in a share. Normally, it be a matches, you weekend, midweek. Or the whole week to assemble your players. Unfortunately, we acquire during the week. If you had distance a player and a free bar, time will be due. And then the number of hours are a bit taken to quickly adapt no abo ball no. Now who say the check a crabba. It's the technical team decided say and it's an there and a expanding number no. Send a will be do no jet lag and now be crano to recover quickly craft for first match now. Be time I about second match now. Or you okay. And again now perhaps no so many players need also actual one or two medical reasons binti to be Emba. For instance, Wakasu, Chinese League final, first leg, Omobono over the weekend. Second leg, Omobono Adano Ayensu Sudan for no airborne. And a game, Guangzhou Evergrande, and any team, and airborne the final of the Chinese League. First leg, no Makwawi, Akobo 0-0. Second leg, Omobo home. In the Jansun swimming for no, because integral part of the team in almost saying Ombe releasing after Thursday game I don't think and I'm so they echo friend a few year another experienced players and Ombe and name for now compare say Obi assignment or no so about Jimmy Llewellyn the switch and Nema same kakra no so to remember. We also looked at Afo Harrison's situation. Time of Baba drew the time I double ball. Now, possible. Into also, excuse Then Gideon Mensah and then Benson Annan. Omo clubs, H. Roy say, Omonya Knox. Into possible, say, almost also, to me, Emma. Into a whole one, I was say, you're looking for other options. Into alternatives, a buy in mind, and they say, it would not make sense to call a player who is beyond the borders of Ghana. So all options were had here. Even though a league, is not in session. Quickly, let's look at materials are readily available. We have tried and tested. Then names came up, discussions went on, and finally, the technical team settled on Kodja Mwako and Christopher Neti, and Yachirokoma Kotoko, and Ashgold, and gratefully, release the that is it. In terms of the individual players and the reasons why they afraid of for.
Okay, that's it. Party is one touch on party.
Party Arsenal, you expect information from Arsenal and email almost send it and they say it will take 48 hours for them to take the samples, the scan, and then know the extent of the injury. Into a show my name say more information on party, whether he will be available or not. I'm sure say and then brand away there.
And let me be say we are I say your first choice collapse. No na other alternative collapse no. Does it mean say in a way or the other no our target for this game will be affected. Ebiana you see players here from now. If are going into the game no. We stood at a chance of winning, say 2 or 3-0. Now, yeah, first choice, a second choice, be affected set target, Anna.
No, I don't think so. Even though I was say you manage your expectations, I don't want to believe that it is an excuse going into the match. Meaning, say every player who is a fully fledged Ghanaian, or talent or ability to play football there every day I will be someone because a national team say Obebo Edana Kuma so ye pa. And I think say rather no, it is an opportunity for player via when your chance abeshim whether you see front door or back door no. It is an opportunity say also so obe prove or na Ghana for who say edwuma no ye the more will be chimi aye. At the end of the day, I think say look at the way I take it off your first 2 matches now. Your first game, almost all our players, but I don't think we had it easy against South Africa. Again, we had all the materials. The second game against Sao Tome and Principe, but much I kobo hono compared to your standard. Never be say na performance no ever form. It is all about going all out with our mind focused on getting the 3 points. A beer now and was a be sending a pressure Emma and Rantian so, but I don't think that be there assistant DJ.
Where per the safety protocols related to COVID-19, no, most people know I'm saying if you never near Shamo na yeti commentary be. You know, Martin Thursday kick-off time near time by.
But 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Yeah.
4 p.m. Oh, okay.
GTV will produce the game for the rest of the world. Minim and Shishaya Omaye with the other TV stations, but their minimum one is a dole. Omudia Ombe.
Okay. Henry, Brano, no se bibi fufrobia Asia. Yebeba ho na also watch nsemu kakra. In share family atiefo nyina Asante mantemu and across the length and breadth of the globe. Yeda se say waje Brano pay any akasa yi.
PJ, let's move that to what one's a friend. Yes, Ghana for say you drew a very critical point. Yes, we are in transition. A lot of changes have happened over the years. Here will be a empire, and you will be a can say soon say or the better team. At the end of the day, Kuya, Yinana, Yenibaji. Whatever it is, even in the course of the game, after the game, who make you observations, we are now also say, I was here, yes, and I was here 2-1 more. And yen tokwa, PJ, line have been a big watch, no, and yen tokwa, and yen the day, and ye giddy.
And yen tiamu, and you got to 1 hearts 1, and you Ghana 4, Sudan 0. Henry, now replica just see second bring back the love who fear now should be TV so now who TB or in chef man also so what should be just to signify unity and support. A Black Stars replica just see. But the best among for Nyabi.
Well, I think there was a plan from Twum. The plan is on the launch, no. Now, if you want to control marketing at least for the first 2 months, and then after that, teams are more ekitino will take over the marketing and merchandising aspect. No, so here I'm not say the Decathlon for assigning agreements. Say a part of the retail shops are on between at home Black Stars replicas. No, you don't necessarily have to be in Accra to get the replica. All you need is to get in touch with Decathlon. Almost deliver a Ghana Afana. So your own plans. Yes, you have to see a retail shop no back if you know, I shall say 200 among crowd. I think in the coming days, you be announcing processes are a cost. I know, sir. Yeah, on Bailey justice. No, now, I'm for a justice, maybe up to near there, a delay there by a ceremony. I just check a cry, and I 2-1 more, and I am sure, say, every Pemo, Omobina replicas, maybe I see.
Yeah, share and training session. No, we say after training, no, almost everybody are seen in the video as sharing nose masks, with the exception of the day. Mon can't no one should be Moya train you be a question nose mask. They did your cosa so Okuta anti coronavirus body was a new Obia should be on coin should be. Yes, video no. Also, you no be a question nose mask on coin should be.
Okay, all right. PJ, yeah, that's it.
We pese ya share 4-0 awie na empe ofiati abofno bia mo ne nkasa.
Me place say me remind. But what we are
Every akwa so nhye bi Nicholas Opoku so nhye bi. Emto mo ye anti covid proof.
Okay. Me
so covid proof as say as there.
But the issue is that enra dinner ye buy omudidi no and a team doctor no dey obia nose mask now. Ama obia nose mask who use on daily basis or kind the number of days I won't be or come and odi obia dey ma no me to one am who say or chama obia
okra me so show there
you know me pia me remind you PJ but I say watch so
Patoland service so chia so ya da pa
hey the young go brebo no
was so sie match ba ko bia ma tu ba kumase
a yo mate.
Okay, Communications Director for Ghana Football Association, Henry Asante Twum, and Nakokasa no.